Show that the matrix A equal to 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 0 is a skew symmetric matrix. Solution. Skew symmetric matrix means we have to prove that A transpose equal to minus A. First let me find A transpose here. A transpose equal to, write R1 into C1, 0, 1, minus 1. R2 into C2, minus 1, 0, 1. R3 into C3, 1, minus 1, 0. Now minus A equal to, multiply each and every element of the matrix A by minus 1. So we have 0, minus 1, plus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, plus 1, 0. So it implies we say that it's equal to A transpose. Since A transpose equal to minus A, we say that this matrix A is skew symmetric matrix, hence proved. For the matrix A equal to 1, 5, 6, 7, verify that 1 A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. 2 A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Solution. Given that A equal to 1, 5, 6, 7. Now let us find A plus A transpose here. So here A transpose equal to 1, 6, 5, 7. It implies A plus A transpose equal to 1 plus 1, 5 plus 6, 6 plus 5, 7 plus 7 equal to 2, 11, 11, 14. Now we have to prove that A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. To prove that, we have to take transpose of this matrix. Let P equal to A plus A transpose. When P transpose equal to P, then we say that it is said to be symmetric matrix. P transpose equal to P equal to, this is the matrix, say P. P transpose equal to, write R1 into C1, 2, 11. Write R2 into C2, 11, 14. Therefore, here we have P transpose equal to P. Since P transpose equal to P, we say that P is said to be symmetric. Therefore, A plus A transpose is symmetric. Second one, we have to prove that A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. A equal to 1, 5, 6, 7. A transpose equal to 1, 6, 5, 7. Now A minus A transpose equal to 1 minus 1, 5 minus 6, 6 minus 5, 7 minus 7 equal to 0, minus 1, 1, 0. So A minus A transpose equal to, we are getting 0, minus 1, 1, 0. Now we have to prove that A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix means we have to prove that P transpose equal to minus P. Let us say this one equal to P, or take Q. Now we have to prove that Q transpose equal to minus P. Let Q equal to A minus A transpose. Now Q transpose equal to, write C1 into R1, 0, 1. Next C2 into R2, minus 1, 0. Q equal to, we have 0, minus 1, 1, 0. Minus Q equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 0. Minus Q equal to Q transpose, equal to Q transpose. Since Q transpose equal to minus Q, we say that A minus A transpose is, A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix, hence proved. Find half into A plus A transpose and half into A minus A transpose when A equal to 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. Solution. A equal to, we have this matrix, then A transpose equal to, write first row into first column. So 0 A B. Now write second row into second column, minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. Now A plus A transpose equal to 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 0 equal to 0, C plus minus C 0, 0, 0, sum of two zeros 0. So A plus A transpose equal to, we are getting null matrix. Now half into A plus A transpose equal to half into null matrix. So it will be equal to null matrix only. Now we have to find half into A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose equal to, the matrix A equal to, we have 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0 minus A transpose equal to, we are having 0 minus A minus B, A 0 minus C, B C 0 equal to 0 minus 0 equal to 0, A minus of minus A 2A, B minus of minus B 2B, minus A minus A minus 2A 0, 2C minus 2B minus 2C 0. Therefore now half into A minus A transpose equal to half into 0, 2A, 2B minus 2B minus 2A 0, 2C minus 2B minus 2C 0. Multiply each and every element of this matrix by 1 by 2. Hence it becomes 1 by 2 into 0, 0, A, B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. This is the answer. 10th problem. Express the following matrices as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Second problem. Let A equal to 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3. We know that symmetric part is always equal to half into A plus A transpose. Let me take this is equal to P. Skew symmetric part equal to half into A minus A transpose, which is equal to Q. Now we should write it as A equal to P plus Q. We know that A half into A plus A transpose is always a symmetric matrix. Half into A minus A transpose is always skew symmetric matrix. Now we should write A equal to P plus Q. So let us find first P here. A transpose equal to, write here R1 into C1. This is R1. 6 minus 2, 2. And this is R2. This is R2. And this is R3. Write R2 into C2. Minus 2, 3, minus 1. Write R3 into C3. 2, minus 1, 3. Now, we have to find A plus A transpose. A plus A transpose equal to 6 plus 6 equal to 12, minus 4, 4, minus 4, 6, minus 2, 4, minus 2, 3 plus 3, 6. Half into A plus A transpose equal to half into A plus A transpose equal to half into 12 minus 4, 4, minus 4, 6, minus 2, 4, minus 2, 6 equal to 6 minus 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 4 equal to 2. 1 by 2 into minus 4 minus 2. 1 by 2 into 6 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. Now half into A plus N transpose equal to, take it as P. You say that this one as P. Now this is symmetric part. Let us verify whether it is symmetric or not. P transpose equal to 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. Clearly it is equal to P. Therefore half into A plus A transpose is symmetric. Now we have to find skew symmetric part. A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose equal to 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3 minus A transpose equal to 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. 2 minus 1 3. It's equal to, we are having null matrix. Now find half into A minus A transpose. Half into null matrix is always equal to null matrix only. So it implies null matrix equal to, say that Q. Here Q transpose is always equal to minus Q. Since it is a null matrix is the only one matrix which is both symmetric and skew symmetric. So Q transpose is always equal to minus Q. Now the given matrix A equal to P plus Q. P plus Q. P equal to, here we have 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 plus Q equal to, you have null matrix. So if you find the sum of these two, we get the given matrix A. Therefore, we say that every matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Hence proof. If A equal to the matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Then A plus A transpose equal to identity matrix if the value of alpha is. Solution. Given that A equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Now A transpose equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. It's given that A plus A transpose equal to identity matrix. So take A plus A transpose equal to I. Now the matrix A equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha plus A transpose equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha equal to 2 by 2 identity matrix we have to take here, since we have 2 by 2 matrix here. Now equal to we have to take 1 0 0 1. It implies we have to add the corresponding elements. 2 cos alpha minus sin alpha plus sin alpha 0, sin alpha minus sin alpha 0, 2 cos alpha equal to 1 0 0 1. Since these two matrices are equal, we have to equate the corresponding elements. 2 cos alpha equal to 1. It implies cos alpha equal to 1 by 2. It implies it's equal to cos pi by 3. Therefore, alpha equal to pi by 3. Here alpha equal to pi by 3 is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer.